Hi everyone, Petals Bless here. I'm coming on to share with you guys how I made this Christmas decor. Alright everyone, here's the items that we'll be using for this DIY, and they will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see where I got everything from. Okay, we're going to start off with these picture frames, which are 4x6, and we're just going to take off the back and all the papers inside. We don't need those. And now we take out the glass piece, and we're going to use some hot glue and just glue the glass down to the frame. And now we're going to use some E6000 and some hot glue and make our square box. And we'll be making 4 of these boxes, you guys. I'm just going to show you how we make one. And with the E6000 and the hot glue gun, I'm going to have them dry overnight because I want a firm hole. I would like my structure to be firm and stay together. So I'm going to let it dry overnight with the E6000. Okay, it's the next day now and our structure is dry, and we're going to put the mirrored pieces along the side with some E6000 glue along the sides of our square box. Now one side of the box is going to take 3 strips of mirrored pieces, and the smaller side is going to take 2 strips of mirrored pieces, which I've already measured out my strips, so I'm just gluing them on now with the E6000. Going all the way around the 4 corners. Okay, you guys, as you can see here, I did the sides with the mirrored strips, and now for the top box only, we're going to put the mirrored strips on the top part of the box. Remember I told you we're doing 3 square boxes? Well, the top one only, we're putting the mirrored pieces on the top part. The other 2, the mirrored pieces, well, all 3, the mirrored pieces are on the sides. And now for our box, it's going to be in the middle. I'm going to bling it out with these arrows from the Dollar Tree. And also the gems from Totally Dazzled, you guys. So first I'm putting on the arrows, the mirrored arrows from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm going to put on the bling gems from Totally Dazzled, you guys. I absolutely love these gems, as you guys know. They add a nice elegant touch to any piece that you add them to. And I just love using them. And now for our square box that's going to be on the bottom, I'm going to make a bottom piece for it. So I'm just going to use the foam board from the Dollar Tree and cut out a square, trace it out, cut it out, and then we're going to hot glue it to the bottom of our square. Of our square box. Alright everyone, I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate my my Christmas decor box. So I'm going to use, I didn't show you guys this in the beginning, but I'm going to use these rose petals. You get them in the Dollar Tree at the in the bridal section. So I'm going to use it and decorate the bottom of the box. So we're just going to pour them in. Let them settle at the bottom. Oh, I didn't mention that I glued the boxes together, you guys. I didn't show that clip, but like you see, they're tilted, and I glued this one to this one, and then this one to this one, right? And then this is the top one with the mirrored pieces on top. I'll show you that later. Right now we're doing the flowers, the decor for inside. So we have these little flowers here from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to put these in the bottom. OMG! This would be easier if I have it down on the floor. But I want to show you guys how I'm decorating it. So I'm not having it on the floor. So you got those in. And then I have these lovely ones here. These I got from Dollarama. But I also seen some of these at Michael's, you guys. So you can check out Michael's for these also. And I'm going to place one on this side. We have one on that side. And then we're going to place the taller ones. In there. Then we have these lovely ones too, which I got these from Michael's. And there we go. And here's another look at our tall decor piece accent box. I think it looks really nice. And I do think it looks very nice as a centerpiece also. You could use it as a tall centerpiece on your table. And here it is on the floor. And as you can see, it's a tall accent piece. It's the same height as the side table next to the couch. I love how it looks. I like how it turned out. It's a lovely piece of Christmas decor. Added touch to your home for the Christmas season. And after Christmas is done, you guys, you can change it out. Yeah, you could take out the Christmas flowers that are inside and put candles if you like, or put any flowers to match whatever season you're in. It makes a lovely accent piece for your home. So whether you use it for a tall centerpiece, for your table decor for Christmas, or you could use it for an accent piece on the floor like I'm going to do for Christmas. Now this is not where I'll be placing it in my home. I just placed it here to show you guys how it would look on the floor. Which I think it looks lovely, just like I said. I'll probably share with you guys where I will be placing it in another video. Alright everyone, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this lovely Christmas decor that I just created. Give me a comment. Tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to press that like button. And remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye, everyone.